Hi, I'm Damebanteinam Syiemlieh. I'm from Meghalaya. I came all the way to West Bengal to join Imagic Institute to explore my interest in creativity and design. It was a new experience for me being far away from home, and it also gave me a chance to grow, and honestly, it was the best decision I made. Before joining, I had less knowledge about graphic designing and no idea about digital marketing. After researching on the internet and find different institutes, after going through Imagic, when I saw their course, I felt like this is what exactly I was looking for. Even though I was from another state, I never felt out of place. The faculty made me welcome and support. The way they teach here are focused more on practical rather than theory. In graphic design, I do live projects using tools like Kolkata, Photoshop and Illustrator, and in digital marketing I learned SEO and social media marketing. Teachers here are very helpful and always ready to guide us in clearing doubts. Before Imagic, I am not confident in doing this field, but after joining Imagic Institute, I am more comfortable and confident in creating professional graphics, run digital campaigns, and I feel confident on taking real-life client works. If you're still thinking whether to join Imagic or not, just go for it. Stop thinking, because these courses which are in this institute are very demanding in today's world. Imagic is not just an institute, it's the beginning to a career.